Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. 55 miles since a professional ground-up restoration, and there's a 390 big block under the hood of this truck. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find the pricing, all the specs, photos, top to bottom, of this and a few hundred other collector vehicles that are all for sale. On there, we also have financing, we have shipping, and I have a whole staff of people, and their job is to help you get your dream car. So there's plenty of ways on there to contact us. Go to volocars.com, let us know how we can help you. Also, it just takes a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as we post these videos, you'll be the first to see them. Let's take this for a spin. I gotta tell you, I know the owner of this truck personally. His career has been owning a body shop, doing restorations. He retired. He wanted to keep himself busy. He restored this truck. He's not the type of guy that would cheat anyone. He did this as if he was keeping it for himself. It is done nice. He started with a clean, rust-free truck, did a high-end total paint job, inside and out, in the bed, in the cab, in the jams. I mean, it is nice. Look at this. I will absolutely guarantee you, if you hired him to restore this truck, it would be 2 to 3 times what we're asking for. So someone's going to get one heck of a deal when they buy this truck. Every piece of outside trim is new. The deluxe moldings here, he paid $1,500 for these moldings. If he was just doing this for resale, he could have slapped some stick-on chrome moldings down the side. Wheel well moldings are new. The trim around the back, all around here, door handles, mirrors, emblems, marker lights, this is all new stuff. Brand new torque thrust wheels, new tires, all new glass, all of it. It's tinted glass, new windshield, new gaskets, new weather strips in the door jambs. This is a custom grille, re-chromed bumper. This motor compartment's beautiful. I mean, this is show quality. It's not even dusty yet. That's a rebuilt, he had it rebuilt, so it's a fresh rebuild 390 motor. It's got an aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, and all the new components. The power steering, power brakes, it's got a new alternator, it's got a new battery in it. The firewall under the hood, everything is painted beautifully. The radiator, the fan shroud, all just the way it should be. Door panels are new. It's got a retro stereo with some speakers. It's been reupholstered. You notice it has a sliding rear window. It has the cargo light. Inside the bed, it's rock solid, all repainted real nicely, not beat up. Underneath the truck is real clean. I think it's a C6 automatic trans, has new springs, new shocks, all new brakes. They're disc brakes in front. New dash pad, all new instrument bezel. And again, everything's painted in here. New visors, new mirror, new headliner. Even up under the dash is all cleaned up and detailed. That's all new glass, it's tinted. This is a show quality truck, but why not use it? I'm not saying to go haul mulch or gravel with it, but you can drive this truck. And I'm telling you, someone's going to get a fantastic deal. He's ready to move on to the next project. Someone is going to pay about half or a third of what it would cost to restore this truck. This here, that's a kind of a rare option. He said he spent a lot of time just getting that to function and fit right, but that's an option on these trucks. The truck functions as good as it looks. Calypso coral is the color. It's a sharp looker, it's quality, it's a big block, it's power steering, power brakes. You cannot go wrong buying this truck. I will personally assure you of that. So visit volocars.com, check it out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we got plenty more great videos to come. Thanks for watching.